Hello, hello, and welcome to another episode of Moose's Gear Goo Review. I'm Moose, and today we're at the messy tabletop because we got a package, mail call. We have a package. If you're familiar with this color, theorangebox.com. This is from the Knife Center, and this is a fun knife. I think I still need to do a review on the knife that this is based off of, but let's open the package and find out what it is, because sometimes I blabber too much. So I'm gonna be opening this package today with the CRKT Pete. This is just an awesome killer budget blade. If you're right-handed, this is just an awesome EDC blade, perfect for backpacking, hiking, everyday carry, EDC, either in the city or in the suburbs. It don't matter. This does it all. So great knife. I will leave a link in the description below, as well as an eye in the upper right hand corner to my review of this knife. So super sharp, love the blade shape, and let's cut it open. So I ordered this knife as soon as it came out. It's available on Blade HQ, as well as Knife Center, obviously. I also ordered another item in here, I believe, which I thought it was a little bit bigger, but we'll see how it fits in here. Hopefully it's in here. Nice, well done packaging as always. Paperwork. They wrapped it up in the paper. And boom, 2 items. We'll get the new item out of the way. I'm actually really excited for this. This is called Fire Strip Roll. Pro Camp Tech Fire Starter. So there's 55 feet. Basically, it's like a wax fibrous paper. Actually, I've never handled it before, but peel it off, and you can kind of unfurl it and get these edges a little, you can tear into it, whatever. And these potentially should be able to catch a spark. If not, just hit a match to it and it'll burn a little longer. So I'm excited to test this out. I like that it's flat and you get 55 feet in here, and this will be really good for like little kits. So if I want to put it in like a mint tin or something, it'll lay flat on the bottom. So pretty excited about this. So looking forward to testing this out. But they have it in stock at Knife Center, so check that out. But here's the real deal. This is the Civivi Baby Banter. This one I'm pretty excited for. I have the full-size one. I carry it all the time. I'm pretty sure I've never done a video of it. Remember, close your knives. And I don't know why, because I use it all the time. I guess it's just one of those knives that I've used so much, and I always am using it, that I forget to just review it. But I love it, and hopefully one day soon I'll do a review of the full-size one. But this just came out. The popularity of the full-size Banter was so good that they decided to make a little bit smaller one. And just like the first one, oh, this is so cool. They're throwing in a bunch of stickers. We got an Elementum sticker, which looks pretty rad, and then a Baby Banter in the purple. I might have to buy another one of these in the purple, because the purple color scheme is just sick. But I decided to go as black as night and go for the all blacked out one. And let's check it out. This is my first impressions. Oh, that's smaller. It's definitely smaller. Ooh, woo! Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, the action on this is ridiculous. Holy crap. Just a slow roll, like that's drop shutty right there, folks. Enough for like not even having to be broken in, it just flies out. Oh, the grip is, for such a little guy, this is a great little gripper here. That jimping's solid. Lightweight, a little bit thinner blade stock than I was expecting, but you know, everything's slightly smaller on this. Great texture G10, feels like contours and shape wise, it's all pretty similar to the full size. But man, that sucker just flies out. And yeah. So I guess the blade steel on this is Nitro V. Is that right? Oh, this one says Nitro V, so I don't know. The other unique thing with this smaller one is it is left-right compatible pocket clip. So yeah, so there you have it. Blacked out blade, like a black stonewash, black hardware all through. Everything's blacked out. Just looks really sleek and sexy. And you just have the inset liners and bolting parts that are inset into the G10. So super rad little knife. So there you have it, guys. This is my unboxing of these two products, Stereo Strip Roll and the Wii Baby Banter, or yeah, Civivi Baby Banter. Two awesome products that they have over at Knife Center. This knife comes in a bunch of different colors. I think blue, purple, and black, maybe a green. And then they either have like stonewash blades, blacked out blades. The purple one I think has gold hardware, so they all look pretty rad. So definitely check this out. I'll put links in the description below. Remember, hit that like button, subscribe. Peace, and I'll see you outside. Bye.